Ramen coming at you with another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time, the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. And today I've got one from Pakistan. This is Morre, or Morre, I really don't know. It's a chicken flavored instant from Pakistan. I am under the biggest time crunch I've ever had doing one of these videos. So luckily this one only takes 2 minutes to prepare, and that's pretty fast. Isn't that something? Talk about an instant noodle. Here's our noodle block. Pretty sure this one's the one that takes 2 minutes. Once I get everything going on, then we will know for sure. But I have 7 minutes until my daughter's school starts, so let's get her going. Flavor, where's that fill line? Right there. That is one complaint I have, is when fill lines just are not super well defined. There we go. I will set it for 3 minutes, and let's look at this label. It says, God, that's tiny. Alright, let's see if we can. Oh man, now the speaker is getting low on juice. Minutes. Oh, and the music is running out of batteries. This is bad. This is real bad. We're in a time crunch, and yeah, because these noodles feel kind of tough. Well, cook. Oh god, I'm just over a minute and a half. We'll make it. We will make it. By a thread, a thin line, a barely. Yeah, tomorrow's Wednesday. I can do 3 reviews tomorrow. The thing that sucks is I'm running out of stuff I haven't reviewed before. So if you live in a foreign country, a great place like Canada, China, Bahrain, Pakistan, Zimbabwe, Ulaanbaatar in Mongolia, anywhere where I'm not, please send me noodles I haven't reviewed. That would be, you would be doing the work of work. Just like absolutely wonderful, wonderful, helpful stuff for me and your fellow viewers. Okay. We got 45 seconds. The speaker's about to die. But we're on quote number 200. I want everyone who joins the company to find happiness. Since fate has brought us together. But if they can't accustom themselves to the company culture, then it will be for their own good to leave as soon as possible. So if you ain't gonna get on board with us, just get out of here. Man, a company. Oh crap. Hey Mimi, come get your drink. Get your beverage, Mimi. Run! Hi, Mimi.
Hi.
Go have a seat and enjoy your beverage. It's beverage time. I'm getting notifications. We've got 3 minutes. The speaker over there is running out of juice. Momofuku Ueno says if we're not on the same page of corporate culture, I might as well leave the company. I just don't know what to do. Oh man, oh man, oh man, oh man. We got 30 seconds. 30 seconds. I don't care. I'm trying the broth. That should be done. Here's the broth. Wow. That is some salty broth, but it's very chickeny. This would be great for a really, really cold morning. Like walking around town. If you had like one of those mugs. Yeah, I'm good. I like that. I think a lot of people would say, oh, dude, that's just way too salty, but that's what we're looking at here. Very salty. All right, all right, all right. Come on. Whoa. Reconnecting. Well, come on. Come on. Come on. There you go. There you go. Shake hands with beef. But it's chicken. There's that. Mung bean sprouts. Spring onion. And wait for it. Coriander. That's the best I can do in the time allotted. Well, I guess I can do a little bit better. Here's some sesame seed and some pepper flake. I really don't have time to do a rotato. I really don't. Maybe one rotation. Here we go. Go, go, go! And now I'm on to the next thing. This has been Ramen wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. Have a good one and bye!